guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is episode 5 of Reviewing Trains, and it's going to be Miami Metrorail.
Welcome to the Gold Coast Transit Series.
3, 2, 1, go!
Following the trip on Trail I had from Fort Lauderdale to Miami, I decided to try out downtown Miami's transit. So, after Metrorail, connecting also to the Miami airport is of course Metrorail, which is pretty much in its own station building because one's diesel and one's electric. You can easily access the Metrorail platforms from Tri-Rail platforms by going up these stairs. After buying my pretty cheap ticket, one scan and you're already into the station. Now personally, I think this station building is way better than the Tri-Rail building, because look at those overhead lighting and just a half circle shape. Love it. Metrorail is a rapid transit system in Miami and Miami-Dade County in the U.S. state of Florida. Metrorail is operated by Miami-Dade Transit, a departmental agency of Miami-Dade County. Opening in 1984, it is Florida's only rapid transit metro system and is currently composed of 2 lines of 23 stations on 24.4 miles of standard gauge track. Metrorail serves the urban core of Miami, connecting Miami International Airport, the Health District, downtown Miami, and Brickell with the northern developed neighborhoods of Hialeah and Medley to the northwest, and to the suburban, the Rhodes, Coconut Grove, Coral Gables, and South Miami, and they got urban Dadeland and Kendall. After about 20 minutes at the station, here comes our train approaching Miami International Airport to take us to Government Center, even though it reaches all the way to Dadeland South. Looks like it's got an RFW on board. Fun fact, Metrorail began operation on May 20th, one day after my birthday, if I was born in 1984. But that doesn't stop Metrorail being, of course, a great metro in the system. Don't forget, also owned by Miami-Dade County, Metro Mover. Now I think it's time to take a look at the RFW. Metrorail line split, green and orange. Green goes to Palmetto, while the orange line is obviously Miami International Airport. The south terminus are in Dadeland South. This train must have been right behind another train because there were so many frequent stops and slowdowns. We didn't get to our destination until 30 minutes. And I think it was supposed to be like a 15-minute ride to Government Center. 2024's ridership was a whopping 14,990,000, just under 15 million. That is insane. It's crazy that I am one of those passengers. here comes Arlington Heights. And a fun fact about the stations is every single intermediate stop looks the exact same, except from other stations that like connect to other things. Skyline's gonna be in sight during a sunset, so of course I went back to the RFW. And look, there's Miami Central, home of Brightline, and technically Tri-Rail. But guess what Miami Central means? We are approaching Government Center, and here it is. Metrorail was a complete success with barely any delays, and it was super clean for a metro. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.